Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Hello, everyone. This is episode 1 of Tawalets with Spit. Today we have Missy, Thea, and Angelica, and this is a rebrand of a previous podcast. And the thing is, sobrang hirap na hirap ako dati when I was doing this podcast by myself. So I'm so happy that I get to do it with my friends. Yes.
And we're so happy to be here, Arian.
Diba? Diba? So this is now our podcast, and we can talk about whatever we want.
Kasi,
Oh my.
wait, bakit ka nahirapan?
Oo, that was
Kasi
my same
mag-isa ka
question.
lang?
Mag-isa lang ako, tas naghahanap ako ng guests, and then minsan hindi ko alam kung yung guest at saka ako will get along. So, hindi ko alam.
I think that's improvisation to the ultimate maximum level.
Yes,
Except you don't know
exactly.
your fellow improvisers, so it makes it hard.
Exactly. But I'm happy because I made some friends through that podcast. Like Makoy, Dubs.
Oh my
we
gosh,
became
I love him
friends.
so much.
Same. Si Red Oliera and I
Yeah.
became close dahil sa mga interviews. So, this is actually a chance for us to get even closer. Pwede pa ba yun?
Paano pag yung mangyari sa atin, yung nangyari sa'yo doon? Yung parang nag-i-interview, tapos parang, shit, di ko pala gusto tong tao.
Di ko
Pero
pala kilala to.
tayo lang. Ayoko pala si Thea.
10 years ko na siyang kilala.
No, but di ba you were saying na our conversations in Spit all the time, we're always just talking to each other. It's so podcastable.
Yes, yes. And sometimes we say the weirdest things na parang sayang sana ni-record natin to. Because it's so strange.
Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga yun eh.
Ang dami. Oo nga, actually. So,
We should just have a recorder on all the time. But that's also scary because
because
we can get very political and can get very scary with our topics. No?
And sometimes we can be haters, but
Because haters be
sometimes-
hating. We are allowed our feelings.
Totoo.
And we do that because we're a safe space and we are able to flesh out how we really feel. And sometimes we need new perspectives on things.
That's true. I learn a lot from talking to everyone because actually everybody here is from a different generation coming into Spit. We all went into Spit
And
at different
generation.
times and generation.
In life.
Sakit.
I used to be the youngest Spit member. Okay, Ding Dong used to be in the OG cast. Ding Dong used to be the youngest member. And then it was me because Akong took me in.
Yes.
And then we invited Aaron in.
And I was the youngest and I felt like the most naive na parang, ay, I'm 20 years old. Oh my gosh. And then everyone got younger than me.
Yeah, because
And then,
Thea.
Oo, si Thea. Si
youngest.
Happy muna. After me, si Happy yung naging youngest. Tapos
Correct.
ikaw. And for the longest time.
yes, like for
Ikaw.
10 years or more than 10
More
years.
than 10 years.
Yeah,
Ikaw
because
ang
you were the
big-
youngest
Yes.
until sila Angelica came in.
And now I'm the young.
Yes! Newest generation.
So we are the youngest.
Yes.
The bunso.
The
Correct.
bunsos.
Correct. The others kasi, regular aged lang sila. Median.
Mga middle child.
Yeah, so, we have that energy.
Whoa! Pa-bebe.
Oh, but I remember nung college ako, hindi pa ako nasa Spit. I was very obsessed with Spit because I used to watch, remember? I used
Yeah.
to watch every week. And they had a podcast. You had like one episode.
Oh,
Do you remember that?
I have, I feel like I have no memory of pre-MFA Spit.
Oh, wow.
Parang it's very foggy now. All I just remember were like the initial trainings that I received, which is very old school.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
Because it was just me and Pepe. And Pepe had already been jamming with them for a long time. So I was alone being fine-tuned by fire.
Yes,
Wow.
yes. Totoo naman. Totoo naman.
Tapos I left. Pumasok kayo. And then I left.
Mhm.
Then pumasok
Yeah.
si Thea. And then
Mhm.
when I got back, parang it was a lot of different things. I feel kasi like my voice is so loud to begin with.
Aha.
So and when there's a microphone, I feel compelled to modulate.
Oh, wow.
So okay.
Para pag ganito,
Hi. So ayun, parang when you were a student
Yes.
and I was a very young teacher and I was in Spit and you would come watch, I was going through the baptism of fire because I was alone. my cohort Pepe had been jamming with Spit for a long time. It was Akong who pulled me in. Tapos talagang walang workshop. Play or die. Ganyan. And then ang daming mga, yung corporate namin pa nun, yung sa ABS-CBN for this Mommy's Journal.
Okay. Mommy's journal.
We would hang out, ang naalala ko na lang, we would hang out in Gabe's house every Sunday morning. We
Oh.
would eat and play games and that's it. You know, and chika. And
What
then,
year was this?
2000, I came in 2004. And then you guys came in 2006.
Yes, but I was alone because it was parang nag-workshop kayo, the Spittles.
The Spittles
diba?
were there. Sila Monica,
Bibay.
Ariel, Bibay, Chester.
Yeah, so all of them had their own thing. They've been going on at it since mga July.
Yeah, we held a workshop series in Ateneo.
Yes.
This was pre-Twee.
Yes.
And then they stuck. And then we needed a host na maganda at madating. So sabi nila sa akin, Missy, may kilala ka ba? So syempre ako, meron. Pangalan niya, si Aaron Cristobal. Girlfriend siya ng estudyante ko.
Ano pangalan ng estudyante mo?
wala. Wala akong boyfriend dati.
Walang pangalan.
Boy na
Walang pangalan.
friend.
Before my current boyfriend now, I didn't date anyone.
Yeah.
There's nobody.
Wala.
This is
wala.
true.
Wala.
Boyfriend.
This is true.
So Aaron came in and she started hosting and then she started playing na rin. And then from Magnet Katipunan, where sometimes we would be more than the audience.
Oo.
Nabangko na ngayon, di ba?
Yes.
Bangko na siya.
Parang Shanghai Express pa yung sex or something. Tama ba?
Hindi ko
Ba naging
alam.
Magat Katipunan tapos naging parang restaurant siya na kainan. Tapos bangko na siya.
And it was so tiny. It was like,
Yeah.
it could fit 20, 40
Mm-mm.
max.
40 hindi ah.
O na, no?
Oo.
30 lang, no?
Oo.
Because it was a gallery downstairs and then
Yeah.
like an eating like tete.
Yes. At saka Angelica, umuupo sa sahig yung mga tao to watch us.
Sabihin ko pa naman sa standing room.
Sitting
Sitting
room.
room.
Sitting room.
Sitting room only.
Indian sitting room.
Parang siguro a fourth of commune. Or a third of the
third.
commune upstairs.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, we moved to Magnet BGC. Yun na yung bravest move namin because Gabe became parang he collaborated with Rock and two other people.
Sila Quark.
Quark and JC.
Mm-mm.
And they put up Magnet BGC. So it was bigger. So medyo mas naging nightlifey na talaga yung Spit.
Mm-mm.
Prior to that, may kwento pa. Si Ding Dong na magkikwento na in another podcast.
Mm-mm.
And then the workshop no, you were here na, right?
Yes.
Tapos I left for my MFA. So I don't remember much. So when I got back, and you guys would make me kwento na, si Missy, ganito to dati. I was like, what do you mean? What do you mean I was a bully?
Wait, yung pagbalik mo ba, yun nandun na rin ako.
Nandun ka na.
Yeah.
So I left and they were like, we need an actor. We need a powerful actor. Kasi parang Spit wasn't actors much. It was
No.
it was just Ariel, Gabe,
Ding Dong.
Ding Dong, right? Ako would do some theater, but yung talagang theater life,
Mm-mm.
very limited. So, hindi, nawala si Missy, pasok tayo ng theater girl. Thea! I'm so flattered naman.
I'm so flattered.
I'm so
Nung sinabi,
flattered.
naghanap daw ng parang kailangan natin ng
Powerhouse.
powerhouse. Kasi
And we
wala si
saw
Missy.
that at Haring Tubul. Doon sa
Sa
we watched
play.
in Sikia. So, nandun kami sa apartment ni, I forgot who. Pero
Ni
nag-perform kayo.
Carlos Eldrano.
Carlos Celdran. Tapos
Si
nakita
Carlos.
namin, oo, si Carlos. Si C. Tapos nakita namin
Wala
si
nga
Thea
yun.
doon. Tapos parang, wow, galing nito.
She a star.
Ganda-ganda pa.
Wow. Fits the
Tapos-
Missy Bill.
Yeah.
Wow! Inis.
Tapos ako, na-introduce ako so bago pa mag-start yung show namin nun, may friend ako na si Teresa,
Who was,
was
Spit?
also with,
Oh.
Spit.
Si Tere.
Tapos, yeah, si Teresa. Siya yung nagsuscore, gumagawa ng music for that production. Tapos sabi niya, may manunood ngayon. Like, improviser sila. Tapos sabi ko, what? Takot ako sa improv.
Totoo ba?
Oo, kasi, kumaga parang natutunan ko yung improv para sa acting class.
Because
diba?
you went to the Philippine
High School
for the Arts.
So,
Parang
or-
Philippine Science pero for arts.
O, parang ganon. So, may theater training ako at improv exercises. May improv class ako doon. Pero, na-experience ko yung improv, hindi to be performed in front of a an audience.
It's more like
as a tool,
process.
yeah, process para maging mas okay na actor, whatever. Ganun. So, nung nakilala ko na may spit, tapos they improvise, they do improv, parang, huh? Wow, hello. Tapos nag-show na. Diba? Tapos doon ko una silang halos lahat nakilala talaga. Meron pang part na talagang si Ariel, ang unang interaction namin ni Ariel. Kasi the play was very interactive eh. Talagang, yun, ang ginawa sa akin ni Ariel, first time namin magkita, pinukpok niya ako ng malaking styrofoam. Pero kunwari, Jebs, yung styrofoam na yun.
Yes.
So, pinupukpok niya ako, tapos parang may lumalabas na blood sa akin. Mga ganun. Tapos si Maliksi, ginagawa akong puppet. Yung parang basahin mga ganun. So, yun yung first na encounter.
Was this sipat?
Yeah, yes.
Galing.
May photos pa ako. Kung meron ba tayong editing nito, parang pwedeng isingit yung photos nun.
Sige. We'll send it.
That's
We'll send it.
awesome.
Short hair ka pa no?
Yeah.
Very short hair.
As may yung photo nandun ako sa gitna ng stage. Maliit lang, intimate. Tapos yung spit na sa paligid.
Wow! And
Just serve.
when I got back and Thea was there na, and for a long time that was the group. No?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That was the group for the longest time. And then because you were very busy with film and theater, so you would come in and out
And family.
and
Yes.
family.
That's
'Cause
right. Bata pa si Mahimbing nun.
Oh
As
my
in bye-bye.
gosh. So
Bye-bye.
there was that. There was the acculturation, I suppose, with spit on my
Mhm.
end.
Mm-mm.
And then Tui happened. And then I started my PhD. So ako yung medyo in and out na rin.
Yes.
So, and then the pandemic happened. And then we did the online thing. That was so much fun.
That was fun. It was different.
Wait, namatay muna si Magnet Katipunan Gigs.
Oh
my God.
Magnet. sorry.
Kala sila namatay.
Oo nga eh.
Pero pag namatay bago sa
Our BGC gigs eventually ended.
Correct.
And we went to Makati Commune Cafe.
Commune in Valero.
In
na may
Valero.
malaking poste sa gitna.
Yeah.
Yan. Medyo mahirap mag-perform doon dati.
Yes.
Yes.
And we also tried, where was that hotel?
Hex.
Joy.
Joy Nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
Yes. Joy.
So parang doing it in different venues made us play differently also.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
And then we moved to Commune Cafe in Poblacion,
Yes.
which was also our home for a long time. So Tui was also expanding.
Yes.
And then gumawa tayo ng house team
Yes.
na you and Ding Dong handpicked.
Me, Bibay, and Akong.
Oh.
Yes. You remember
Yes.
that. Okay. So for those listening pala, TWI is Third World Improv. That is our school. So if you want to take classes, meron kaming school, thirdworldimprov.com. And we were able to handpick several new members of Spit from the school. And that's when our young guest came in.
So how's that for you?
So, sa akin kasi it's not as straightforward as you guys kasi hindi naman ako galing sa like acting industry. I remember parang improv came into my life when my best friend texted me. Parang, hey, I read Amy Poehler's book na yes please. Nag-ano pala sila improv school, ganyan-ganyan. Ano yung improv? So I was college. And then, tapos nag-research ako, improv, blah, 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 Philippines. Lumabas yung Spit.
Uy.
Well.
So yung videos pala nung may parang wide glass window na commune, that
Yeah.
was the one in
Poblacion.
Valero.
Valero. Kaya
Yung may-
parang
oh my
iba.
Yeah.
Ayun. Tapos parang pinapan ko na parang tuwang-tuwa ako. Pero college pa ako nun, so hindi pa ako allowed na like gumala ng late, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, muntik ko lang i-email yung Spit actually. So, na parang, meron po ba kayong mentorship? Or school? Kasi nung time na yun, wala pang Third World Improv. I think that was
Yes.
2013. Mga
2 years after
or
yun.
2014, ayun. So, nag-musical theater workshop muna ako. And then, sakto kasi nagkaroon ng Manila Improv Fest. Tapos may one-day improv workshop, I think by an improv group from Hong Kong. So, pumunta kami ng best friend ko. Tapos parang tuwang-tuwa kami na parang, oh, I could do this all day or longer. Parang ganun. Tapos sabi ko, kasi nang wala silang school ganyan-ganyan. And then, nagkaroon ng Third World Improv. Tapos, I was very sure na parang, okay, I will enroll. pag-graduate ko. So when I graduated, as soon as I graduated, I enrolled, and then Erin was my teacher in level 1. I
2020
I
pa
don't
yan.
know if you remember, pero yung first time na nagkita tayo, sabi ko sa'yo parang, you're so pretty in person.
Thank you. I always hear that kasi Kadire.
And then, ayun na, I finished all levels, 1 to 5. Tapos,
Ito ba hindi naman naging teacher?
hindi, levels 2 to 5 si Ariel. Ayun, tapos, after...
Sinabi mo rin siya, you're so pretty in person. Then,
Hindi na. Tapos nun, when I finished, that was end of 2018. 2019 yung housekeeping.
That was the group that you handpicked
Yes.
for housekeeping because we wanted like a group to represent TUI.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we also wanted a group na kung hindi tayo makapunta sa corporate gig, we can,
We can,
refer
yeah,
this
draw
other
from that
group.
group.
Yes.
So, at the time I was auditioning, I was so sure na hindi ako makakapasok. Kasi, sobrang ang daming naunang batches sa TUI. Like, hindi naman madami, like 1 or 2. But they were very active sa community and they had lots of shows and they were very well connected with the community. As a shy girl, ano lang ako.
But kasi
Hindi ko
when
ma-attend.
in casting, you really cast. It's not about who's better at doing something
Yeah.
than another person. It's really about casting the energy, casting the synthesis, casting how they flow, and parang looking at house team, each of you had your own ambag in a way that really made sense together.
yes. And yung the way you played with people you didn't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
Kaya nga, tawan-tawa ko kasi I went there, ang purpose ko, makapag-jam with people.
Which explains so
Perfect.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Na parang, hindi ako makakuha dito. Gusto ko lang talaga makalaro sina Ae, sina Carl, sina Cherry. Parang ano sila yung, parang nakikita ko sila lagi sa community and they're so good. I want to play with them.
Which is the nature, I think, of improv. Which is
Yeah.
why you were perfect for it. Yeah.
So natawa ko na nakita ko yung final names. Parang, boom, responsibilidad.
And then the pandemic happened.
Yeah.
And we were all stuck online. And then as the pandemic ended, and we did a lot of online content, which I thought was very fun.
Yes. And I think we were the only group doing that for a long time.
Yeah.
Kasi lahat ng mga live performers, they didn't know how
ako,
to
ganun.
transcend.
Ako, ganun. Personally, I
Oo.
didn't like performing online.
I mean, I didn't like it either. I just liked hanging out with you guys.
Clingy.
As a clingy.
For the whole pandemic, ganun din yung, I think with housekeeping, tuloy-tuloy kami. So, it was mostly Ae and Carl na talagang pushing us na, tara guys, kahit wala tayong gawin, maglaro lang tayo ng games. We would just show up every week or twice a week. Tapos, it stuck na buong pandemic na survive namin na ganun.
Yeah.
And then when as the pandemic ended, you left naman for your studies.
Yes. But, na kami nun. Parang, nagkaroon na ng Bentabulous.
Yes.
Which this Bentabulous was the 20th anniversary where I had COVID.
Oh, you weren't there?
No, I had COVID. So I sent a video. Hello,
Yes,
everyone.
naalala ko. Yeah.
So freaking annoying. I was so mad.
Naalala ko yun.
Hindi ko maalala yung COVID video.
I'm super FOMO pa naman
Totoo.
as a
Totoo.
person.
Totoo. We know that.
Like, what do you mean you went to McDo without me? Where are you? Like, I'm just, I don't know.
I
So,
mean, that's what makes our group strong, I think.
The
fact-
clinginess.
The clinginess eh.
you know what?
Tingnan mo, nandito tayo, pero andyan na si Papo sa labas.
Tapos, picture na.
Mamaya,
Mamaya,
kahit
sila
tapos ka
naman
na,
dito, andyan
clingy
pa daw
ka
sa
pa na.
labas.
Parang what I'm saying is prior to this newest iteration, I don't think Spit would necessarily have been friends outside of the improv that we did. Siguro may isa o dalawa, tatlo na talagang barkada. But not like now na, hey, we're gonna eat here. Do you wanna come over? Like, yes.
Magbabanyo lang ako. Ako rin.
Sama? Tapos holding hands, papapuntang banyo. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung anong tingin ng mga tao nun. Pag nakikita nyo kaming like sobrang clingy.
Apat-apat tayo nun, di ba?
Apat-apat na parang, or siguro kahit sa stories, parang, tangina, to mga to? Sobrang ano ba to? Anong problema niyo? Wala ba kayong friends? Wala. Kami lang to.
I'm actually not a barkada type of person. Parang parang I have my little high school barkadas but we don't see each other like, you know.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of different friends and acquaintances, but I don't hang out in groups.
Interesting.
So, and like, kunyari theater, like, intense,
Yeah.
and then detach. Kailangan you have to
yes.
detach because otherwise, masisira yung pagkatao mo
Wait,
eh.
question. Hindi kaya dahil nasanay ka dun sa ganung pattern, like, joining a production and then like being really close with the people. And then, after the production, boom, bye.
I think so. I think a huge part of that.
Tapos
Kasi you
isa
get
pang
so
production.
intensely together,
Yeah.
intensely bonded together. Tapos you have to, biglang nothing.
Biglang natin,
Because when the show
bye.
ends,
Mm.
so, yeah.
I mean, I've only done one play in
Which
my
you were
life.
amazing in.
Thank you. And it was a cast of 2. So parang, yung group, okay lang.
So, my point lang being in this iteration of Spit now, where we're really like with each other 5 times a week, it's really, that's nice.
It is. It is.
And
it's also very different from
Yes.
how Spit was before. Tama ka eh. May cliques before.
Yes.
It was me, Kenneth, and Happy, you, Monica, Chester, Ariel, and then Ding Dong, Gabe, and the rest of
Yeah.
the OGs.
So by generations.
Oo, by generations.
Oh, gets. Alam mo,
Yeah.
nare-realize ko ngayon. Kaya pala parang hindi ako before, hindi ako like, singit. Like, saan ba talaga ako? Na-appreciate ko, like, paisa-isa. So if I bond with someone, like, mag-usap lang, like, biglaan lang. Tapos parang, ay, okay tong tamang to. And then it's bad. Okay to. Pero parang wala talagang yung tayong lahat. Hindi kagaya talaga ngayon. Kasi before nga, dahil may mga like pockets of like friends, hindi ko alam saan pocket ako. Like,
Totoo.
so I had Ariel.
Yes.
Si Ariel was my closest talaga.
Kasi nga pinukpok-pok ka niya ng
Yes, I
styrofoam
think
na
yun
dapat
yun eh.
gems.
Oo.
That made you bleed out.
Core
like that.
memory.
Core memory. Yun na yung ano namin. So, hindi ako maka-fit in like sa isang pocket. Kaya nung ganito, sobrang ang bilis kong like, I wanna go with you guys.
Yes.
Kahit saan kayo pumunta. Because, yun nga.
Yeah.
And may sinabi si Thea dati na it really resonated with me. All work is personal. Yes. Because when I was growing up, my gosh, I was in finance. There was, I hated it. My God. Like, yun yung talagang trabaho lang to. You come in the morning, trabaho lang to. Pag uwi mo, tapos, trabaho lang to. Every day.
I cannot imagine.
So when I finally got this parang environment where you're working but you like every single person, you like what you're doing, even if it gets stressful, masaya siya because you like everything. So it's such a different perspective also.
And you understand why it's stressful. And you know why someone's escalating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And na you can directly address that escalation.
Tama.
And that confrontation won't create unnecessary toxicity.
Yes.
I'm really happy na ganito yung dynamics ng group because I feel like it's a family na kapag hindi kasi siya family type
Setup.
of setup, you're like, parang hindi ko feel tong person na to ka-work, I'll just avoid them or it's easy to parang detach nga. But here parang, even though they're like that, I still love them so much and kasi ganyan talaga and I'm glad na parang kahit sino makasabay ko sa dressing room, I have different moments with them. I can talk to them. Yeah.
Na-realize ko, maaga, hindi ka sobrang aga. Like, when I started, like, malalaman kaya to, yung OJT ko nun. Kasi, so, nung nag-OJT ako, oh my gosh, malalaman ba? Anyway, nag-OJT ako, tapos doon ko na-realize na parang, wait, hindi ko pala kaya makipagtrabaho sa taong hindi ko gusto yung personality. Like, kung hindi ko type yung personality mo, kung like, mayabang ka, masungit ka, tapos magtrabaho tayo, parang, shucks, hindi ko to kaya. Hindi ko to kayang tiisin. Like, hindi ako makaka-work ng maayos. If you want me to work here at ganyan ka, hindi ko kaya yun. So, maaga...
Nalaman mo yun dun sa OJT
Yes.
mo?
Hindi ko sasabihin kung saan.
So that's why OJT is so important.
Yeah. So, ang gets, yung sinabi mong family to, hindi siya like work lang. Kasi kung work lang, madali ka mag-detach, yes. At kapag family, parang, shucks, kasama ko tong mga to eh. So, bukod sa, hindi naman siya tatanggapin ko kung sino kayo, period. Masungad ka, period. Or disrespect mo ka, period. Hindi siya ganun. Mas parang, I wanna work things out.
Yes.
So, let's
Yes.
talk about this. Kasi
Yes.
family tayo.
Oh.
So, hindi
Yes.
siya yung typical na,
Pero
kasi may mga
not
ganun
dysfunctional
family.
family.
Yeah,
No, no.
yes.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
may mga ganun
Oo.
families na parang, ganito si daddy, masungit talaga siya. Tapos naninigaw siya. So, wala na tayong magagawa doon. Hindi ganun.
Hindi.
Yung itong family, itong culture na
Kung
binubuo
naninigaw si
natin.
daddy, intindihin natin kung bakit at i-address natin para tumigil-tigil na siya sa
Yes.
paninigaw niya.
Turuan natin.
Daddy.
Di ba?
But you know, a huge part of it also is because, to be honest, it was a culture shift.
Yes.
Yeah.
For me, coming back, that was okay. Bringing in the new generation. Sorry. Okay, wait.
Rewind.
Yung ADHD ko. There were several culture shifts in Spit, right? When
And you saw so many.
and I saw entire shifting processes. So when sila Aaron came in, when I came back from the MFA, when the house team came in, parang each shift was marked by a desire to address a gap, right? So that was very interesting. And I remember, kasi very old school yung unang iteration where it's like theater where there's a hierarchy, you know, and the way of doing expected excellent results. I mean, Spit's playing back then. Right now we're viral, right? But the playing back then was just beautiful. Kasi talaga namang yung, you know, madadaanin ka sa apoy to get to that level. But now I feel like the playing is exceptional because of the care we have for each other. No, and I think it's also because the leadership was into making sure that the personal was being developed, not just the professional.
Yes. And I also like that this new batch, there's no authority figure, so to speak, that we're all on the same plane and trying to work things out as peers, diba? We are all equal. We are all peers. So it's a very different dynamic also na mas nagpapasaya. Truly.
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
And how do we feel? Okay, so we have gone through, and kasama ka na nun, when audiences were okay lang. We had an audience. We had
By
one.
okay lang, what do you mean? They weren't a lot.
They weren't a lot.
Ah.
It was a respectable amount
And regular.
and regular, but it wasn't always a full house. It wasn't.
Mostly improvisers.
It was mostly improvisers, mostly students from the school. Things have changed in the past year.
And I think social media had a lot to do with it. No.
For sure.
And I think that social media only really happened because the younger blooders, the young
Yes.
blood really stepped up to lend their expertise. You know?
Kasi, dati pa, and I remember, we wanted to take videos of the shows. Dati pa.
But we didn't know how.
We didn't know how. And it would be set up na tripod lang sa likod, tas malayo yung
One
camera.
cam, sama ng audio,
Sama ng audio.
no editing,
Yes.
no ilaw whatsoever.
Yes.
Right?
So, I kind of agree because at that time, sabi namin, we can't put out these videos. It ruins the experience of improv for newcomers if they're gonna see this video
yeah.
and then, oh, this is improv? Parang ganon. So, at that time, it was really just timing also, I feel. At that time, it was not the time for us to release videos. But of course, we got the youngins who also do improv. I mean,
Yes.
Kobe,
Knows the pulse of the game. And
no
knows,
one can edit like Kobe.
Yeah, man. Like, I saw another edit of Eddie. And I was like, why does this feel so corny?
Yes.
Versus the Eddie edits of Kobe. Talagang, kahit ako natatawa. Parang, at hindi ako masyadong natatawa, no, in general in life. But like, ang saya nito.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the editing is another aspect, another element of the creativity or the creation of the art.
Yes. I told Kobe because he calls himself lang, I'm the videographer. No. Kobe, you are
no.
creative director of social media.
Yes.
Diba? Because there's no one, the way Kobe edits is he puts the viewer in the seat
Mhm.
of improv because you see the reactions of the people who aren't speaking. You see
Yeah.
the reactions of the audience. So talagang parang andun ka. And that's something very little people can
Yeah, and
do. Very little people. Ganito.
and ang galing kasi it's not just with the one video. Like pagkatas mo manood ng video, you will want to watch the other videos and you'll end up watching all the other videos na
Oo.
tuloy-tuloy.
Binge, no?
Oo.
Very
Yeah.
bingeable. So yeah, that's Kobe right
Do you
there.
guys get self-conscious when you're watching yourselves?
I don't watch videos na kasama ako.
So, yung hindi ko
Yung
pa,
ano lang.
yung tuloy-tuloy na video, oh, nandiyan ako.
Ah, ano.
skip.
Do I get self-conscious? Personally, no. I think ever since before, I like watching videos of myself to improve.
Same.
Diba? Like
Yeah.
I'll watch them like, I don't like this. So next time I won't do this and that. Or what are my angles? So
I'm like that with theater, but with improv, when I watch the videos, I'm like, uy, unfair.
diba?
Parang, ay. So it feels like not me. You know what I mean? When I'm watching a performance I've done for theater, and maybe because there's a
Yeah.
theatricality to the performance, which is necessary for a stagecraft of theater,
Mm-mm.
parang may ibang, okay, kailangan kong pulituhin to, kailangan mas kingin. Really a crafting.
Yeah.
But when I'm watching us do improv, I'm like,
Yes. Yeah. I think dun ko rin sisingit yung like understanding or how I see improv, like non-scripted work, improv sa compared to scripted work, like theatrical work ta scripted. Kasi kapag may character ka, parang nagtatago ka sa likod ng character mo eh.
Yeah.
Sumisilip yung ikaw, pero may excuse ka na gawin tong mga bagay-bagay na to. So, mas confident ako mag-invite ng like family or mga tito-tita sa isang
theatrical
piece.
Kasi hindi naman ikaw yun.
Hindi ako yan. Sabi sa akin ng director, sabi ng character yun daw yung gawin eh. Sabi ng playwright, yun daw yung sabihin.
yeah.
Bugmura daw ako. Parang ganun.
Oo.
Pero kapag improv,
Choice mo yan.
ikaw yan. Choice mo yan.
Kasi top of mind eh.
Top of mind mo yan. Yung mga panaginip mo yan. Yung mga thoughts mo yan sa ibang tao. Di ba? Parang lumalabas
Oh my
siya
God.
eh. Di ba? So, para kang nakahubad. Nakahubad.
Which
ganun.
I love.
Kaya, I'm starting to love that too.
Yeah.
As an intimacy director and
Yeah.
coordinator.
Ikaw. Biglang ka
Sakto lang.
Okay. I think it's fascinating also that somehow, some way, because we discovered something this morning, that Angelica came from our same school. So, Bibay, Monica, and I came from this,
Entere.
and Tere came
Oh.
from the same high school. And Tere was already a younger batch, but parang seniors niyata kami when she was a freshman. And then, turns out, this lady over here beside me is also from that school, grade school. Hindi na siya nag-high school.
Kinder and grade school.
Kinder and grade school. Si Monica and Bibay, high school. Ako, tsaka si Tere, grade school, high school. Turns out, Angelica is also from this.
Kinder.
Grade school. Kinder to grade school.
And we only found out
Also.
today.
This morning.
That was-
Pinag-uusapan namin habang nasa labas pa kami, hindi pa nagsa-start. Tapos, mamaya natin pag-usapan yan.
Huwag tayo mag-usap.
Tapos, si Aaron was like, it makes sense that you're from there kasi parang you're all magkakaugali. What does that
Correct.
even mean?
How do I basically
Same.
because Miriam before I was an all-girls school, right?
Still is.
It still is. It still is. Most of the girls I know from other all-girls schools are a little different.
I think each all-girls school has a different culture. I think every school has a different culture, right? Like, you can't say that your co-ed school is the same.
Oh, no.
Pero more or less, may kind of...
No, my school was very different. From all schools.
Diba? Parang all-boys school, every school is a different culture. Kasi it's a group brought together doing something. So, what you're saying is, napansin mo na iba kami kay Happy.
Yes. Opo. And a lot of my other friends.
And a lot of
So,
your other friends.
It's very different way of thinking also. The independence is also a little different.
Really?
Your handwriting isn't all the same.
Because
Cursive slant yung akin pa rin.
sa akin, oo rin. Pero I think hindi like sobrang strict na parang
Oo,
ito
They
yeah.
didn't
dapat.
control us how to be necessarily. I don't know. But it was also because it was such a huge school.
Yes,
And you had to
yes,
really stake out your independence. Parang, tapos, you know how girls can be.
Yes.
Tapos may anti-social factor, but at the same time, kailangan social ka.
Interesting.
Diba?
Grabe yung pressure nun.
Oh.
Grabe yung pressure na kailangan
Oo.
the next school year, iba yung bag mo, bago.
Kailangan may grooming kit ka.
Oo.
Wow.
But at the
At the same time,
you cannot be maarte.
Oo.
But you had to be maarte. It was
Please
very...
elaborate.
Very elegant
Or-
lang. Ganun. Simple.
Kumano.
Hindi ka,
Yeah, it's so hard to explain.
Mm-mm.
Parang, okay, basta look at Bibay, Monica, me,
get
Thea, Angelica. We are the same upbringing through the years.
Totoo.
Okay, what is it?
So sabihin natin like in terms of like having a new bag for the school year or a new pair of shoes. Gusto mo meron. Kasi yung classmates mo meron eh. Pero parang tingin ko lahat tayo ganun lang din naman. Nape-pressure lang din.
You have to have something new
Yeah.
and of quality, but you cannot flaunt it.
But, alam natin na okay lang naman kahit hindi new. Deep inside,
Oo.
tingin ko parang
Branded ba?
Not
necessary.
necessary. Brands
Hindi
weren't...
super...
High end.
Parang
Yeah.
if you showed off brand, you were tacky.
Yeah.
If you have brand, okay. But you're not
Mm.
better than us just because you have branded something.
Understood.
It has to be good quality. I think that's what our school
Good quality.
really...
Naawa tuloy ako sa mga magulang ko. Parang nakaka-pressure na parang, kaya hindi rin ako parang, I want something new. Parang, siguro yung mga friends ko, meron silang bagong like things. But ako parang, feeling ko dahil nasa all-girls school ka, tapos Miriam. So, baka pressure din yung parents na, di ba? I think
Yeah.
nanggagaling pressure din parents.
Hindi
pero
naman
alam nila na
pwedeng-
hindi naman kailangan.
Hindi kailangan dapat hindi mukhang sampid yung anak mo.
Ano lang? Clean.
Updated, clean. Yun nga, may quality of being
Okay.
and doing na not ostentatious.
Okay.
Grabe, meron akong bagong bag dati. Binili sa akin ng tita ko or something. Tapos Esmeralda na bag yun.
Uy,
Tas
Hunchback of
bago,
Notre
yes,
Dame?
tas gusto ko. Tapos nakalagay siya sa likod ng chair ko. Bago yun, tonto ako. Hindi ko pinagmamayabang. Kasi nga, dyan lang, ganun. Pagka-dismissal, pagtingin ko sa may ball pen. Drawing ng ball pen. Alam ko kung anong pangalan niya. Hindi ko sabihin.
I think all girls schools has that. You know how girls were raised to be competitive?
Yes.
So there's that thing.
Just sad.
Which is sad. We should change that. I think girls should learn to love and support each other. And
Question, may mga klepto ba in your school? Kasi sa amin marami.
I think sa lahat.
I think sa lahat.
Really?
But I
Okay.
think kleptomania is more of like wanting to control or wanting to possess, or I don't know really.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Because in my school, it was the boys. So I'm asking, in the all-girls schools, meron ba?
Maybe not so much. Maybe
I didn't
once or
experience.
twice. Oh my God! There was this one time I was in a shooting teleserye. I want to say what?
So, hindi natutungo sa Miriam.
Hindi. Hindi na sa Miriam. Kasi this girl isn't from Miriam.
Okay.
But she's super konyo.
Mm.
Anyway, I went into the... Ang random na conversation na to. I went into the tent because I was gonna get something. And this girl was going through, I don't know what I thought was her bag. And she stood up very fast and then exited. And then, nanlamig ako for some reason. Like, a chill went down my spine. And then I went through my bag, nawala yung 500 pesos ko. But the secret money stash was still there. So ako parang, am I crazy? So I just kept it to myself. Later that night, kasi teleseries like Shoot Forever, right? We changed locations na and stuff. Yung bida nung serye na yon, sabi niya dun sa yaya niya, bilan mo nga ako nung fries dun sa, yung inaano ko, yung commercial ko. So, ma'am, wala po yung pera dito. It's like 30,000 pesos or something.
Oh, wow.
In cash. Una sa lahat, bakit ka magdadala ng 30,000 pesos in
Pambili
cash?
ng fries. Para sa lahat daw yun eh.
Pambili ng franchise.
Talagang, so I told the production manager or the line producer, and this is what I saw today. I'm not accusing anyone, but this is what I saw today. And apparently that girl was tired.
Damn. That sucks. Tapos konyo, girl.
Tapos ko, yun parang ako, it's really not about your status
Hindi talaga.
in life.
Obvious
It's a need for something. It's a compulsion eh.
Interesting.
So anyway, back to our school.
So, section nyo.
okay. Section. From
Section.
kinder all the way to grade 7. You count us off.
Okay.
Kinder.
Okay.
Kinder. 3, 2, 1.
K6.
Mm.
Panghapon.
Panghapon.
Pang
K.
umaga.
So pag letter K and then a letter panghapon.
Okay.
6 and 2 pang umaga.
Grade school.
Grade
3. Ay,
Grade
grade 1.
one.
Grade 1.
3,
3, 2, 1.
2, 1. Ilang.
Daisy.
Daisy ilang.
Kamya.
Kamya.
Oh, shucks, hindi ko na yata maalala sa grade 2. Wait.
Isipin mo muna. Yung mga
Okay. Ina.
Grade 2. 3, 2, 1.
Araw.
Between.
Talon.
Araw.
Okay.
Okay.
Meron pa?
Up to 7.
Three,
Up to
seven
7.
to.
Seriously?
Oo,
Okay.
bilisan lang natin.
Grade 3, 3, 2, 1.
Brilliant.
Garnet.
What?
Hindi pa talaga tayo naging... Okay.
Grade 4.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Grade 4. 3, 2, 1.
Marilag.
Malikhain.
Luntian.
Uy, bago na yung malikain.
Oo, walang malikhain dati.
Mamaya pa yung luntian.
Ay, siya,
Mamaya
for
Grade 4.
Traits.
Parang traits or
Yung-
babae, mga babae. Para
Luningning, Ella. Luningning.
Bago yan. Ano malikhain?
Malikhain.
Adjective na.
Ikaw, paraluman.
Hindi, marilag.
Marilag. Wala rin marilag nung panahon ko.
Merong nang marilag ng
Oh.
matimtiman, mahiyain.
What? Teacher's village na yun
Alam mo, ang weird naman nung mahiyain yung section.
Ay, di ko
Kasi
alam.
imagine ko napunta ako sa mahiyain.
Hindi ko alam.
Okay, grade 5.
Okay.
Wait lang. Wait lang, 5.
Ano yung five?
Okay.
Colors?
Hindi.
And
mga
instruments.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh my
God.
Okay.
Okay. Grade 5. 3, 2, 1.
Banturia.
What's yours?
Harmonica.
Wala pa harmonic.
Filipino instrument?
Banduria yung sa amin natin.
Ako marimba.
Marimba.
Meron.
Can you
Meron
imagine?
pa rin
Mara-mara
nun.
marimba.
Yun, isip ko,
Love it.
dumami kaya yung sections or may mga
Feeling
tinanggal
ko-
sila.
Ay, hindi ko sure.
Feeling ko dumami
Mamaya
lang.
natin
Dumami.
isa-isahin.
Is there section angklong?
Sana
That
nga
would be
meron
so
eh.
fun.
Wala
I
eh.
love
I
Meron-
refuse harmonica.
Meron pa naman. May angklong
Record.
choir pa naman sa atin. Choir ba tawag doon?
Oo, club.
May angklong
Angklung
choir.
club.
Oh,
What do
club
you call that?
sayang.
Rondalia, di ba?
Yeah, that's the
Five
strings.
rondalia.
Ito yung
Yung isang note ka lang,
Oo.
di ba?
Shucks, pwede ba natin aralin yun?
Yes.
Aralin natin
I
yun.
want.
Gusto ko yun.
Okay, now grade 6.
Grade
ready?
6.
Ito na.
3, 2, 1.
Lilian. Uy, lila. Gusto ko maging...
Ako
May
rin,
puti.
gusto ko maging
Mm,
lila.
oo.
Walang
Sobrang
puti
happy ka sa
dati.
lila.
I wanted to be... Bakit walang puti? Kasi that was my favorite color in grade school. Parang bakit walang puti? Gusto ko maging 6 puti.
Oh, 6 puti. Oh, 6 puti. 6 puti, the best.
Luntian.
6 puti.
Luntian na nga yung palda ko. Luntian pa section ko.
Alam mo ba yung mga taga-Miriam sinasabing puno nakabaliktad?
Kasi brown yung...
Puno
Oo.
nakabaliktad.
Tapos, tan.
Ako naman, puno ng kapalit. Oh, nope.
Okay, last section.
Okay,
Okay.
grade 7.
Wait. Ano 7?
Tribes.
Ano sa akin? Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Maranao.
Hindi ako na grade 7
Kasi
kasi bumasa ako
nag-Philippine
sa
trivia.
sa entrance exam agad. So,
Nag-Philippine Science ka?
Quezon City.
Tap,
Quezon City.
Ang
Philippine Science. Ako
galing.
nag-
Philippine High School for the Arts. Alam mo ba, when I graduated from Miriam High School, nung patapos na kami, I said, I wish in the Philippines there was a high school for the arts. Tapos my classmate looks at me and said,
There
meron.
is.
And I'm like, What do you mean?
At wala ako doon.
Wala ako doon. That's all I want to do in my life.
Actually, muntik na rin ako doon mag-high school. Kaso lang, mas kasi yung
Science.
sciences yung family namin. So, parang, para magkasama rin kami ng ate ko.
At nung nag-Philippine Science tuloy, nung nag-Philippine High School for the Arts ako, may batchmate din ako na taga Miriam, na Philippine High School for the Arts. Kumbaga, kami, so nung nag-first year kami sa Philippine High School for the Arts, nagkita kami doon parang, uy, hindi man kami close, pero parang, uy, taga Miriam ka. Parang gano'n. Sa 700 na, or 1,000 yata.
Na
kami sa-
nag-audition.
na parang, uy, Miriam, ganyan. So, medyo naging close kami. Hindi na
Wow.
super close, pero close. Tapos, may mga kapatid kami sa Miriam din na lower batch sa amin. Tapos, nalaman namin na after our batch, lahat ng mga pumapasang Philippine High School for the Arts, binibigyan ng award during the honors assembly. Tapos, parang kami, bakit kami walang award? Tapos parang,
You paved the way.
Yeah,
You
yes.
paved the way.
Correct.
tawang-tawa lang kami naman, daya.
Gusto ko ng medal. I got a medal in high school
For?
for medal of participation.
Wow.
Oh.
Because I was soccer varsity.
Wow.
Dahil kulang sila. So, bangko ako. They got me kasi, ay, matangkad to. Like, okay.
Were you the goalie?
No. I was, hindi ko pa alam yung position. Ganun ka, hindi ko maalala. Basta yung nasa
First
dulo.
position.
Ballet.
Yung tumatakbo-takbo lang sa side.
Runner.
You were a player, football player. What is that? Yung sumatakbo lang sa side.
Wingers?
Short stop.
Sure.
So you were the midfielder and probably a winger.
Sure.
The around the world.
Okay, the question is
Patintero.
how many were you in the field at the time?
7.
Okay, so you were playing 7 aside.
Yes.
Where were
See?
you?
7 aside. I just remember that now.
Where were you
Patotot.
standing?
7 up.
At if the goalie was here,
Mhm.
mga 2 people.
Okay, so you're a forward.
No. Forward is the goalie
The person in front, diba?
kicking
Kicker.
it into the
So you
goal.
weren't here in you
No,
were
no,
here on
no.
the side.
I was
So
the
you're a
really
midfielder.
nothing. Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
was the
if-
nothing.
Patotot
If
nga.
I am
Pitcher.
okay, if the Stevie is the goalie,
Mm,
there's someone standing in front of her.
yes.
Okay, that is a stopper.
I'm not a stopper.
Okay.
Basically,
Is
the
there a
walang
person
role.
on the left and the right?
Yes.
Okay, that is the defense.
Okay.
Okay, that's a fullback.
Mm.
And then you were at the
Parang
side.
middle.
you're
Side,
at the
side.
middle
Side.
So you're a halfback.
Sure.
Okay, and then you have 2
Hunchback.
people in front.
Yes.
So that's 2, and that's 3, that's 5. So may dalawa kayo. Dalawa kayo dun sa side.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Goddess coach.
Wala ako.
You know what?
Let's go. Go.
Di ba lost ka? Ako rin. Di ko na maalala.
No, at least for myself, I understand.
Yes.
Ginawa niya for herself.
Ginawa ko yun for me.
Ang isip ko lang sa patintero, ikaw yung patotot. Yung mga ganun-ganun sa likod. Yung pwede kang umikot.
Can we have a spit
Sport.
intramurals?
Olympics.
I actually want to
We
do
used to have that eh.
Yeah.
Anong tsura nun?
T-ball.
Uy, T-ball. Grade 7, T-ball. Champion kami. Wala lang.
What's a T-ball?
When you put the ball on a
On a tee.
tee and then you baseball it.
So parang walang kwentang
Baseball.
baseball.
Walang
Hindi
pitcher.
naman.
Hindi walang kwenta. Walang pitcher.
Walang pitcher.
You just want to make sure na may chance matamaan yung bola.
Okay.
Oo, gaganyan mo.
You're controlling the variable.
Yeah. Would spit.
Sige, kung
If we had a Spurts Fest. Spirits
Spits Fest.
But it cannot be the typical sports of basketball.
It has to
volleyball.
be.
Why not?
I mean,
Why not?
meron, but there's also like sungka.
Ah, yes.
Uy,
Yung
magaling ako dun.
ganon, diba?
Swerte pala,
Agawan
swerte.
base.
I remember lang
Diba?
nung high school, parang we had intrams na basketball, so you like basketball players played, and then may basketbogus. So yung mga
that's so
non-basketball
fun.
players,
Ganda.
they played.
I love that.
Ganda.
I get so
think-
competitive though, guys. I mean, you know
Ako
that.
rin talaga.
Table tennis. Hindi naman ako magaling. Competitive lang.
Ako rin.
Game.
Okay.
Game.
Okay.
So, ano yung mga
Games
games na
natin.
yun? Basketball.
Oo, gusto ko mag-basketball.
Ako
I'm
rin.
terrible.
I will cheer.
Okay. I am terrible.
I'll be coach. Takbo! Ano ba?
Traveling mo lang.
Saan?
Traveling where? That's my passport.
Boarding
Yeah.
pass.
That's too funny. Wait, I cannot. Okay, are we gonna play volleyball?
Sure.
Parang-
Okay,
Sige.
dodgeball.
Ang dodgeball ay kicking ball.
Hindi. Ang dodgeball
Di ba,
ay...
ano ba yun sa, hindi may tawag
Kickball.
yun eh. Kickball.
Kickball.
Kickball is like...
Pag nalagay mo sa
soccer?
kalye.
Kicking ball.
Parang masama siya
Kicking
pakinggan.
ball yung tawag
Kaya-
namin eh. Kicking ball yung tawag namin sa Fairview. Kicking ball! Okay, dodgeball.
Yes.
Nung nanood lang ako sa Cartoon Network ng Dexter's Lab yata. Yun na parang, dodgeball pala yun.
Dodgeball yung merong group sa gitna, may group
Magda-dodge
sa
ka,
labas.
diba?
Tapos babatuhin ka.
Tamaan.
Kickball is a soccer version of dodgeball. Like instead of throwing it,
Oh,
you're
you
kicking
kick
it. So it can go through the
Kick it.
legs.
Yeah, bop it. I think bop it should be a game.
Oh, I love
You remember
that.
bop it?
We need to buy one.
Kailangan may
It's
aparato
okay.
ka.
How many do you want?
Wow! Ano pa?
Sungka.
Swimming.
Diving. Paganda ng diving.
I will win that.
Are you a swimmer?
I had a swimming pool growing up.
Oh my
Oh.
gosh.
Ako kaya mag-nesty plunge.
Sa tuwalya.
Sa tuwalya. Ginawa na ba yun?
Masakit.
Sakit, pero
Masakit siya.
saya.
Ay,
Ayan.
nako.
Anyway, guys, I think we have been speaking for quite a while.
We can do this
and
forever.
We can do this
So
forever.
we're gonna ignore that sign.
Anyway,
Episode 2.
Yes.
wala
So-
pa naman sila eh.
But yes, I think this is as much time as our listeners can handle with the increasing attention span of the social world.
Or decreasing.
Decreasing, nga pala, decreasing. So, is there anything you would like to share to wrap up this episode 1? I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1.
Yeah.
We did.
We really did.
Obviously.
We did. Meron ba kayong why don't you wrap up the episode in the best way?
We wrap up things.
Okay, I think that hello.
Ayan na naman tayo. Hello.
Okay, this episode is about us just kind of like outlining the different generations of Spit and its succeeding iterations because of those differing generations coming in, and how that experience was for each of us and also collectively. Just kind of like verifying totoo naman, di ba? And then seeing how we are different in our experiences, and then how we have similar backgrounds pala and differing backgrounds as well, and then went into our interest in sports.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
In a modulated voice.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was episode 1. We hope you enjoyed our conversation as much as we did. I hope you feel included.
Are we going to introduce ourselves?
Yes, please introduce. I'm Aaron, everyone.
Hi, I'm Angelica.
Hello, I'm Thea.
I'm Missy Maramara.
And this was
Tawalets
with Spit.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.